quarter out there, see it?
That's a marlin.
Marlin.
Hey.
Tell him what to do.
That boy Dave. Pull it back with your back. Use your back and your arms. That boy Dave.
You want me to reel this in? Reel it in or not?
Like bait. Maybe one more. Okay.
There you go. Right it up. There you go.
Work him, Dave.
Attaboy, Dave.
There you go, Dave.
Viene uno para acá.
Pull hard on that thing, Dave. Attaboy. Coming up. Nice.
There he is.
Nice, Dave. Nice, Dave. Working, Dave. Pull that tip up and get him up out of that water. There you go, Dave. There you go. There you go. There he is, Dave.
When do the fish set?
Release. Release. Release.
Okay.
All release.
Oops, sorry, Wayne, you're right. That's a pretty good sized fish.
Okay, no more. No more.
No more. Stop. No more.
Pero quito la
They're going to
leche.
release it. Hold it right.
Quito la leche.
Right there. It's in there, here. With a picture. Yep. You don't want a picture? Yep, you want a picture. Okay, sit right there. Sit right there, man. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. There you go. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, oh yeah, I got it.
Got it?
I got it.
Yeah.
Okay.